Hi everyone and welcome to the video for today. Today we are going to paint all these small gift boxes here that also comes with the little set that we are working on. And I am just going to use few colors here and then color the gift itself, and then I'm going to make the ribbon later. I didn't like the green color here, so I mixed it with a tiny bit of white to get a lighter green. Anyway, I am painting all the small packaging here. I did let that layer of paint dry all the way through, so it's all dry before I continue with painting the bows. Here I am using a gold paint on some of the gifts. I use a white and a red on some of the other ones, but just do whatever you feel like and painting the bows. And I decided to give some of the small packaging or gifts here some details in the wrapping paper. So here I'm using a dotting tool and making some small dots on the gifts, all four sides, and then of course on top as well. The bottom doesn't really matter, as we're going to glue them into the scenery on the bottom, so you don't see that. So don't worry about the bottom part of this one. On a few of them I made lines, just regular straight lines on the sides of the packaging, but again, you can do it whatever you want to. If you want to make small hearts or flowers or stuff like that, you can also do that. I let all the gift dry completely before I continued with finding my little tree. And now I am going to take my super glue gel, and I'm gonna take a few of these gifts and place. I'm not placing every one of these because I want some on the top layers as well. And for now we are still on the bottom two layers of this little Christmas tree. I placed this little gift here, and I actually like that, but it would not stick right there, so I decided to place it here in the outer rim. Let me get that into focus again. Some more glue, and then place that here by the tree. and I found a smaller gift. There is two sizes of these gifts. There is a smaller one and a bigger one. So I took a smaller one and placed that beside the little snowman here, and that was working fine. And then I am going to place a few here on the next layer, just finding some nice spots where it actually feels like they belong. So I'm just going to place them, and that is all there is for the video for today. Nothing much. So I will see you tomorrow, where we are going to make a few more houses, actually the last houses that we're going to paint, and making the second layer here all done. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting.